Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix Windows Media Player server execution failed error. So you must have faced this issue, server execution failed, while trying to open Windows Media Player. So to fix this issue, just click on the start button and just type services.msc in the search bar. Now just click on this search result services, and now in this list just search for Windows Media Player network sharing service. So here it is, Windows Media Player network sharing service. Just select this, right click over it, then click on properties option, and now just change the startup type from manual to disabled. After this, just click on the apply button, and now click on the OK button. Now close this window, and now just restart your system to fix this issue. So this is how you can fix the Windows Media Player server execution failed error. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.